All right, imagine if you would for a moment, you've got a brand new car or a relatively new car and the thing just, you pull up to a stoplight and it shuts off. By design. By design, it shuts off. All right, welcome to the IdleStopper. Let's see if this thing works. It's a 2022 Accord. All right, here we go. So the first thing we got to do is set the emergency brake because we got to take it out of gear after. Set the emergency brake and shut it back off. Here is the IdleStopper. All right, we got the felt. We got another card. Got more felt. We have the IdleStopper, a body panel remover. Pop off some panels. Pop off some panels. So they did these two first. So I think it was just this. Yep. And then we got to figure out how to take it out of gear. Right here, use the screwdriver, but I gotta get a screwdriver. I think I need a shorter screwdriver. There it is. All right, that pops out. So open up the door. That one pops off. This pops off. This pops off. So we have everything exposed. We are going to unplug this black cable, this white cable that goes to the button, and we gotta unplug this black cable. Yep, squeezes in. So this goes here, this pushes in and it doesn't fit all the way. So plug it in all the way, and we use a little piece of foam here, insulate that little gap. And plug this back in. Alright, take the IdleStopper. The part we unplugged plugs into the IdleStopper. And the part that we were unplugged from plugs in from the IdleStopper. So it only fits in one way. Snap. So that's it. It's installed. I think I'm just going to let it hang, actually. So there it is, installed. Start snapping everything back together. Alright, let's go to the other side. All back to normal. Let's see if it works. Boom, came on. So we'll start it up. Boom. Ha. Shut it off. Turn it back on so it still functions. One more time. God bless you, IdleStopper. IdleStopper, yeah.